Revolution now. Revolution now. Revolution now. Fellow Nigerians, enough of the atotonu. Revolution is now. Fellow Nigerians, enough of the fuckery. What we need right now is to keep proclaiming voices, bloggers, presenters, journalists, be you any Nigerians. Anyhow you can proclaim, establish, confess, declare. We need to show it is too much. This is not the time to fear. We have come to the level of is either do or die. We have come to the situation, the level, we have no choice, Nigerians. We have to face it. Please stop shebe. A lot of us did not vote for this guy. He lost the election, yet he came out fighting for us, for Nigeria, for a better place. A lot of us are suffering in diaspora. Why don't you no matter what, let's stop fearing. This is not the matter of being fears. A lot of you don't have faith, you don't have inner eyes. Please, Sowore is fine by God's grace. Nigerians, stop living your life in vanity and fear. Be strong and see the impossible. Look beyond the present situation. Our country is one of the most godly country all over the world. Yet we are not actualizing, we are not practicing what we know spiritually. Why are you people Yes, I understand Nigerians. But this guy is ready. He's ready. Let's support him. Nobody force him to do what he's doing. You think you are wiser than his lawyer, Daddy Falana? Why can't Falana advise him to back up? Ibi tó bá lè là ń bọ́ ọmọkùnrin. Ẹ̀yin Nigerians, àwa la súnra wa débi tá délé ní níbi àìbìkítà. Níbi àìbìkítà gbogbo nǹkan la máa ń fojú fò. Ikú lélẹ̀ yà fojú fò. Àfiná sórí òrìlè sùn. It's either do or die. If it's kò bá jẹ́ pé ó máa mẹ́mìí lọ, but orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó fún wa. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣe Sowore. Nigerian, the mistake we have made in the past that is affecting us economically today, let's face it once and for all. Whatever is going to cost us. Revolution now. Revolution now. Confess it. Confess it. All of you out there that you have gotten voice on social media or anywhere in the street, it costs us nothing. Revolution is now. Confess it. Stop saying negativity that you feel sorry for the family. Stop talking like you don't have common sense. You back up and we continue to suffer for life. If you are not doing all these things, God will do his work perfectly. You don't give up that because we all supported Abiola, that what came out of it. We don't give up. Our country can be the best country. It depends on us. It can be better than America. It depends on us. Let's make the sacrifice. Let's make the sacrifice. Thank God for Sowore. Thank God for his wife. Thank God for his family. Thank God for somebody like Sowore. Thank God that Sowore wasn't having dirty mind like other you. Why do you prefer suffering? Why are you looking back? Revolution is now. Revolution is now. Free Sowore. Revolution is now. Please, fellow Nigerians, don't chicken out. Where this country has been, the level of Nigeria today is our fault. A lot of us here, we are suffering in diaspora. I can go on and on. We want to come back home. We pray, we want Nigeria to be a better place. You see the people in diaspora of South Africa coming home with nothing to show for. You still did not made up your mind that we should support Sowore. All our youth are being harassed at home. They are not privileged to anything negative, positive. This is the time. Let's fight the battle. It doesn't matter what it's going to cost us. If the government wants to take their pound of flesh, the Lord is with us. Please, revolution is now. Revolution is now. Let's not give in. Don't chicken out. Don't chicken out. Please, everybody, fellow Nigerians, revolution is now. It is now. Confess it, confess it, confess it. Be going about whatever you do, confess it. Confess it. Ogun Ọlọ́run tí a ò rí ó ju tàwọn ọ̀tá wa lọ. Ogun Ọlọ́run tí a kò rí. Our own soldiers, spiritual soldiers, is more than the atheist soldiers. Revolution is now. Ẹni ìgbàgbọ́. Your life are full of fears. Nigerians, your life are full of fears. Have faith and stop panicking. Sowore will be fine. Sowore will be fine. Christ is within. Nínú àhámọ́ yẹn, Christ is within. The Lord has heard us. Ọlọ́run ti gbọ́ ìmíkanlẹ̀ wa. He heard the ìmíkanlẹ̀ of the Israelites in those days. The Lord has heard us. Everything. Owó obìnrin yẹn tó ń ṣe show tó jáde fún Auto Bola tó lára ń kun ẹ́. Ara burúkú ò ní kun ẹ́ o, ìyá àfin mi. Gbogbo wa la lè ṣe é. Àdúrà àti ìgbàgbọ́ kéde má gbàgbé. Revolution is now. Revolution is now. Revolution is now. Ìyá àfin mi, ara kíkọ́kọ́ ló máa yọjú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Revolution is now. Proclaim it. Èyí tá fi ń ráyè ká máa jáde fọ́mọlàkejì wa. We can come out for revolution. Revolution is now. Fellow Nigerians. Because there is a lady that came out for Auto Bola. She said she can be hard on Auto Bola because of Sowore. It's worth it. That we should be hard on even our family. Because Sowore is there suffering for us. And that suffering will never, nothing will happen. He will come out live and we will get the victory. There will be revolution in Nigeria. Democracy does not exist, and you people fold your hands. You begin to advise Sowore to back up. Let's not care what is going to take us because of the coming generation. Does it look like our coming generation our future? Revolution is now. Revolution is now. It is now. In Nigeria, revolution is now. It is now. Fellow Nigerians, let's go. Revolution is now. It is now.